Ready to rumble? We're putting Uizard and Visily head-to-head to find out which design tool reigns supreme for your UI UX projects. First up, Uizard, known for its AI-powered design assistant. Uizard makes wireframing incredibly fast. You can upload hand-drawn sketches or screenshots, and Uizard instantly transforms them into editable digital designs. Now, let's look at Visily. Visily shines with its extensive library of pre-designed templates and UI kits, perfect for quickly building complex interfaces. Drag-and-drop functionality makes it a breeze to customize these elements. When it comes to prototyping, both tools offer interactive elements like buttons and transitions. Uizard boasts more advanced animation features, while Visily emphasizes simplicity and ease of use in creating functional prototypes. Uizard's real-time collaboration is top-notch, allowing multiple designers to work simultaneously on the same project. Visily also offers collaboration features, but Uizard's feels slightly more intuitive. So, which one is better? It really depends on your needs. Uizard is great if you want AI assistance and advanced animations, while Visily is your go-to for fast, template-based design. Ultimately, the best tool is the one that fits seamlessly into your workflow. Try them both out and see which one helps you create amazing user experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tool comparisons.